everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. Now we have ventured back inside of Knott's Berry Farm for some more food, fun, and also a date with my beautiful wife. Make sure you guys are subscribed because we have a lot more fun adventures coming your way. So if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time for an awesome Knott's Berry Farm adventure. Let's go. Oh man, it feels so nice, you know, to have a date with my wife. So much fun, man. But yeah, we're gonna be trying some treats for you guys, looking at some awesome updates, and talking about some news that just broke this past week as well too. What would be a good date ride? I can actually get my wife to ride. Well, how about we ride Jaguar? Let's go. Hey, proof that my wife is actually jumping on a ride. Look at, we're gonna back, kind of. Oh, no. Let's go!
That's reassuring.
Oh my God! Oh my God! This is the more intense part right here. I love this part right here. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Oh, come on, guys. I had to bring my wife on here. I mean, when she makes an appearance for our date. The
ride's not very reassuring when the whole thing comes off.
Oh man, like I had just reported that the Calico Railroad was being refurbished. Well, guess what? I ended up coming right back to Knott's Berry Farm and look at what just arrived. Yeah, the Rio Grande is back in operation, yes. Hey, guess who I ran into? Not just any dad, it's the average dad.
Oh yeah!
Right.
How you guys doing?
Oh man, again, all of my viewers always see your videos as well too, and it's so awesome.
Thank you guys.
What is
so
one
much.
of your popular videos that you're actually producing right now?
A Let's Grub video, and it's gonna be a spicy edition.
Ooh.
Because we're gonna be repping for the Rams, dude.
Oh
so we're
man.
about to go to Wingstop and try their 3 hottest wings. I don't know if it's gonna be too good on the tummy though, dude.
Well, we can't wait for it though.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, and I'm gonna link him up right here as well as down below, so definitely check him out, guys. All right, guys, so first stop of the day, we're definitely stopped by the Sutter's Grill. Now, still trying out a lot of the Peanuts offerings, but look at this amazingness. Now, this is the chicken parm grilled cheese. What? Oh my goodness. Now, what is amazing is, of course, you guys already know, it is my date here at the park with my beautiful wife. So, hey, I got someone to help me eat this. Oh my goodness, this looks so good, guys. There it goes. Look at that. Wow. Yummy. All right, here we go. It smells good. Ooh. Let's just do it. Ready? 1, 2, and man, definitely come on out and try that out. Grilled cheese and chicken parm. Yes, that is amazing. The taste on there was really good. Man, that chicken was so juicy. Oh my goodness. Really, really good. Marinara sauce on that. It's pretty much what my wife always gives me whenever I have a couple noodle. I have grilled cheese on top of that. Definitely come on out. That's a must try over here at the Sutter's Grill. Now, just an FYI, Sutter's Grill does open up at 11 a.m. So, again, that meal, oh my gosh, was like no other. I couldn't finish it by myself. My wife and I finished it up. But a friend of mine, friend of the channel, thanks so much to Alan from Average Dad. We were just talking about Girl Scout cookies and how many times that my mother-in-law buys a ton of them and how much we buy a ton of them too. But he actually bought me some Thin Mints, my favorite. I love Thin Mints. Thank you so much, Alan. We 100% appreciate you. And again, his links are going to be down below in the description, so definitely check them out, guys. Oh man, so just to address like a lot of the elephant in the room, we definitely, you know, for me, I always give some awesome updates for you guys for Knott's Berry Farm, but this was actually pretty crazy to actually hear a few days ago when you hear a takeover offer happening, which was SeaWorld was actually trying to, or it currently is, trying to acquire Cedar Fair Parks. Oh my goodness. That, when I heard that news, I literally fell out of my seat. And I'm like, oh my goodness, like this place wouldn't be, you know, the same. I mean, depending on what they want to offer, depending on what they want to do as far as with this takeover, but to be honest, like the Walter Knott's kids were very, very specific when they actually had Cedar Fair Parks actually own Knott's Berry Farm. You know, not a lot has changed in Calico Ghost Town. You know, they had the amusements. You know, you got your amusement rides, amusements around the other section, but they kind of left, you know, Ghost Town to its own. You know, you still get the attraction, you still get the events, but you still get Calico to its own. So that's the one thing I honestly appreciate. You know, Cedar Fairs. For me, I really can't wait to go see the Great Adventure. But to have another company as far as SeaWorld coming over here and trying to purchase Cedar Fair Parks is kind of worrisome, because what are they going to bring? I mean, we've seen SeaWorld, we've seen Busch Gardens, but what will they bring? You know, that'll be a little more significant than Cedar Fair Parks. I mean, we don't know for sure yet. So again, it's all speculation, it's all rumors, just like the same thing I talked about before, which was the Giga Coaster. It's all up in the air. We're just unsure just about yet. It's just weird, right? I just think it's kind of like, it threw me for a loop, because I'm like, what? SeaWorld and Cedar Fair Parks? What? But I know. I went on a tangent there for a second. My apologies. I just, you know, have a lot brewing in my head, and just reading that whole thing over again, it was just a lot of information, a lot of, you know, business talk terminology. So I'm not too keen on that. But again, it was just a lot on the article. And man, $3.5 billion. That's crazy. Oh man, now there's one thing about these railroad systems that kind of weird. You kind of want to hide your gold if you're actually going through a gold rush, hide your rings. I just don't know why. For some odd reason, whenever they say you gotta hide your valuables, I don't know what that means. I can't hide my wife. She's my most valuable thing.
Priceless.
She's very priceless. Oh no. Oh no. Oh man.
A mighty fancy gun you got there. My goodness, I would have shot you, but my battery died. Are you folks happy or married?
I don't know.
They're married.
That was the wrong answer.
Oh man, shout out to my beautiful wife for finding that. So there are two different spots. So when you come over to the Calico Railroad, you can definitely see construction updates. They actually have little logs from the log ride. That's actually pretty cool. It's right there. And they actually have Mesber right over there. They definitely have the construction updates that are underway for the future of the BoysenBrewery and the pizza factory. Oh man, that is really cool. So, my wife was 100% right. Our date wouldn't be complete over here at Knott's Berry Farm without these. That's right, awesome dessert. Peanut butter and jelly churro bites right over at the Gourmet Churro Factory. What? Yes. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They are packed. All right. It's like cinnamon, peanut butter, and jelly all together. Mmm. The last churro we definitely tried was I believe it was what? The boysenberry filling. And when they gave it to us, it was rock hard, like solid. Like, it was like a crunch, like no other. We just had to throw it away. But man, this actually is pretty good. This was actually, we were trying to find a seat around, but definitely come on out. This is actually really tasty, really good. Now, I wish they would give you just a little bit more sauce on this, because they give you about 6 of these. But yeah, So good though. Perfect for your day date. Now the one thing I definitely want to showcase to every single one of you guys, if you guys do come down to Knott's Berry Farm but want to learn a little bit of history, all around the park they do have plaques. So if you do, like say from here for the Calico Saloon, they do have a history plaque here as well too. And then right in the very front, to the very left side, right in front of Camp Snoopy, they do have a plaque for Sparky. If you guys know who that is Charles Schultz's nickname himself. Back over in Knott's Peanut Celebration video, you definitely saw the merchandise. Now, have you seen the Knott's Scary Farm merchandise still? Well, right over here at the Toy Junction, let's go check it out because they do have some magic stuff there too. So let's go. So, I believe this is actually like the tribute store for the Knott's Scary Farm. You know, kind of you're talking about, you know, Universal has their tribute store over in Orlando. This is a tribute store specifically for Knott's Scary Farm. Oh man, dang. Looking at those roaches on camera is a little more differently. Dude, it's actually pretty funny. I was actually looking around here. Now they kind of mix in the magic with the scary stuff. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Mystic Museum. When you go to Mystic Museum, you definitely see the horror. Then you get the weird looking things around. And look, one of my favorite attractions right there. Pumpkin Eater. Now, I wish when they do bring back Knott's Scary Farm that they actually do fix it, because there was a certain part in Pumpkin Eater that was slightly different, where it actually wasn't really working with us few times that we were actually here. So I hope they actually put that back into perfect operation. So if you ever wanted to just come on out and see, you know, Knott's Scary Farm merchandise, definitely come on by the Toy Junction, because it still is pretty cool. Can it be September soon? Just kidding. But can it? Look at what we found. We found Harry Potter merchandise. My goodness. My daughter's favorite, Slytherin. When are you ever going to see Harry Potter stuff? Or even Nightmare Before Christmas at Knott's. Here, I have this tote bag here. This is actually really amazing. If you actually look at every single detail here, it is the ghost town. Oh my goodness. They have the Birdcage Square. They got the Main Street. They got Stage Road, Market Street. Oh man. Can we just get this bag? Because this is actually my favorite. Alright guys, that is it for today's awesome adventure right over here at Knott's Berry Farm. Now we had some food, we had a treat, and we saw some updates. That's right. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for that new, and my beautiful wife is right here. That's why I totally forgot, our day date. Oh man, it was so much fun to be able to film and then be able to hang out with my beautiful wife. Wow, thank you guys so much for enjoying this video. Now, if you guys love this video, make sure you guys give it an awesome Knott's Berry Farm BoysenBrewery thumbs up. If you guys like the content I bring to you guys, make sure you guys subscribe right now and always share my videos with your family and friends. Now, if you would love to own your own Adventurez merch, or even support the channel, or even find me in all my other social media links, I'm going to have those links down below in the description, so definitely check them out. And now, we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go!